someone here who needs some extra special cheering up?
Hi.
You can trust me.
Did you know I used to be a real rock star?
I guess somebody was right.
Did I overhear someone needs a friend?
There is no need to be afraid. Nothing can hurt you but me.
You are as good at hiding as you think you are, you know.
You wake up, just remember, friends are forever.
Hello.
Don't you remember? It's me. We all
Hello.
remember you. And we all hate you. But I always got my eye on you.
Peluche mixed.
Hi.
I brought something special. Just
Bruh.
Lord can save you.
This game of badass person is delicious.
let us see what you can do without those. What you know. That wasn't so bad. Now you